Oh boy. Got a lot of digging out to do right here. Hit with a 10-inch snowstorm. The drifts are 2 to 3 feet high here. Too bad you're not here, Billy.